Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Today's on the 30th. It's the last day of the month of April. Yesterday we did this analysis. We're looking for buys above this point and sells below this point, but nothing happened. The market just stayed inside the range. The market stayed just inside the range. So definitely we didn't get anything out of it. Let's see, what do we have today? Is on Wednesday. Wednesday, we have advanced GDP in the evening, employment, we have this PCE happening as well. This is Wednesday. Great. So it's going to be a busy day in the evening, actually, from 3 p.m. Let's see what we have in terms of, let me remove everything. And then we do a very quick analysis on the same gold again. There we go. There we go. There we go. Weekly support. There we go. There we go. 4 hours. Yes. You see the way the market is actually planning itself. On 4 hours, that's where we are. 1 hour. We could dive a bit deeper to see if we can get some opportunity over here for trades. Do something like that on 1 hour, and a resistance over here on 1 hour. All right, on 30 minutes, which is gonna be the last point that we get to. Yeah, that's it. That's about it. You know what? I just want to take maybe something about this point. Think about this point. We could do a buy, we could do a sell. Let's see potential buys above here. Potential sells below this point. Yeah, so should we break below this point, then we're gonna be looking at least for something like that. Yeah, so most definitely gonna be left with this. We're looking for buys above that point, like this. Yeah. So definitely this is what I'm going to be looking at. Hopefully today is not going to be a stagnant day like yesterday. So if I get a buy above this point, I'm going to do the buys and continue pushing up as I push my stop loss to the entry and try to continue pushing up. Should we get a sell? I'm going to take a sell. Once the moment it goes just below 5-10 pips, I'm going to move my stop loss to entry and then continue pushing down as well. Yeah? All right, we're gonna look at this. Let's see how it is, and we'll be back tomorrow to do a fresh new analysis. Now that is gold. I also want to check on EURUSD. Let's do a quick one on EURUSD as well. Do a quick one on EURUSD. There we go. So definitely we just broke this place over here on EURUSD. And this candle is still active. So it hasn't really broken because it hasn't closed until it closes the whole month. That is closing today, yeah? Or tomorrow. Wait, April has 31 days or 30 days. Okay, the last day. Good. So it's gonna be closing today, this candle. If it closes today, expect probably a push down and then continuation to the upside. But let's see. Again, we are not really going to consider this much because it's already an area that has already been taken. So I'm gonna put this one here. I'm gonna put consider this over here. I'm also gonna consider this one over here. So I'm gonna put it on the bodies. All right, let's just go down then. Yeah, we readjust it like that. Yes. All right, so there we are. We are on the 4 hours time frame right now. So I'm gonna go off the 4 hour time frame. This is how we see it. We have this on top and we have this also. Then 1 hour we'll do over here. And then this one over here. That is 1 hour, 30 minutes. Okay. So what? Buys above this point, probably. Sells below this point. But then these ranges are not really big. It's not really a big range for you to say that you're gonna be holding it for a minute. You're gonna need you to do some quick trades over here. Yeah, you're gonna need to do some quick buys. Sorry. Some quick buys over there. Probably hoping that you're gonna push like this to this point. That is the hopes that is there. Okay. Of course, looking forward to break above the biggest area over there. But let's see. All right. So here we have potential sales. Break below that point. It's gonna push down to this point. All right. As well, let's check on this EURUSD and see how it's gonna be behaving today. Yeah? Right, take care. Have a good one. Risk manage your trade well. Today, tomorrow is a holiday in Kenya, so happy holidays, guys. Is it Labor Day or Madaraka Day? Something like that. All right. All right, guys. Take care. Trade what you see, not what you think, and let's see you tomorrow. Bye bye.